top tip. If you're stiff in the shoulders in your Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog pose, find a step or grab a chair, place your hands on the lift. So many of you have staircases at home, so go to the staircase, put your hand on one of the steps, maybe the third one up, step back, look straight ahead, then with an exhalation, press your legs back. Press your hands into that support and stretch your hips back. And step forward and stand up. So you're going to do this 3 times. Make sure that you're not with your feet underneath your hips, because that's not the right shape. Remember, downward facing dog pose is a triangular shape where the legs and the arms are at an angle. So get your feet far enough back. 1, 2, 3. With your exhalation, press back, come slightly out of the pose, then again. Dig your shoulder blades in, press back. If your feet are not far enough back, take them further back. And again, exhale, dig those shoulder blades in. And then step forwards and stand up. So the next top tip with your dog pose on a lift is to make sure you're not dropping the arms. Because sometimes you can go back, but the arms sort of hang down towards the floor. So instead of that, press the arms up, away from the floor, so your weight is going onto your fingers and finger knuckles rather than the heel of the hand. So press into those fingers and move back, shoulder blades in, so the arms are pressing up away from the floor, and feel that extension. And step forwards and stand up. So for those of you who are stiff in the upper back, you're keeping your head in line with the upper arms. So it's similar to Urdhva Hastasana. So just try that now. Feet hip width apart, stretch your arms forward and reach up. So again, you're getting that movement of the inner shoulder blade down, and you're stretching your arms up, and you're getting the openness in your armpit. So one last time, hands on the lift, here we go. Weight on your fingers, exhale, press back, keep your head in line with your upper arm, so you move that dorsal spine in, move the shoulder blades into the body, inner shoulder blades sliding towards the hips. Sides of the body lengthening up, spine extending. Exhale. And then step forwards and stand up, and then feel your Urdhva Hastasana, see if there's any improvement, getting that openness in your chest, arms by your ears. Thanks for joining me.